My name is Sarah Harjo, and I want to welcome you to my classroom for the 2020-2021 school year. This year is going to be different than any I've ever been involved with, either as a teacher or as a student. My English and journalism classroom will just have to be different as we get started this year. But I want to take a minute to let you know two very important things about my class this year. The first one is, even though it's going to look different, we still have lots of important work to do. Every day we will learn and grow and smile. At least that's my goal. The second thing I want to make sure that you know is that I am here. Whether that here is in this classroom together every day, whether that here is behind a mask, or whether that here is on a computer screen, I am here. I'm here to help, to listen, to push you and challenge you, and to support you in my classroom. This year will be different, but it doesn't mean it can't be great. So welcome to class. Let me know if you have questions, and let's get down to business. We got this, Cardinals.